smart cities are becoming urban blueprints for the future. The core values of Smart City Seoul are people, innovation, and sustainability. For this, we are focusing efforts on three major areas: Smart Data City, Smart Sharing City, and Smart Service City. Smart Data City means that we collect, store, and analyze administrative data, as well as all other data in the city to utilize when needed. In Seoul, there are more than 50,000 IoT sensors installed in the city that are constantly collecting data. We have built a data sharing platform to store, analyze, and utilize 518 different types of administrative data. TOPIS is Seoul's advanced public transportation management system. Based on the data gathered from throughout the city, TOPIS provides information such as the locations, travel times, and intervals of public buses and subway trains in real time. Our Night Owl bus is a public bus service that we launched based on big data analysis. To decide the routes of the Night Owl buses, we analyzed 1 billion big data, mostly mobile phone calls, after public transportation ends at midnight. Another good example is neighborhood community market analysis. We are collecting, storing, and analyzing 10 billion data a month to offer neighborhood market analysis, which is a new service that provides information on population flows and spending patterns to potential small business owners. Smart Sharing City means that through open platforms and networking, we share smart resources with the citizens, and through collective intelligence, we solve urban problems. A good example is our IoT-based sharing parking system, which we collaborated on with the private sector. Through this system, users can easily search for, reserve, and pay for parking spaces online. It is an innovative way to solve the problem of lack of parking space in the city. Another example is our blockchain-based smart healthcare solution, which we cooperated on with major hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, insurance companies, and research centers. Healthcare-related information is stored in blockchain format, and we are utilizing it for paperless prescriptions, certificates, and insurance purposes. Of course, all information is guaranteed absolute privacy protection. Smart Service City means that we are creating new values that have never been seen before in the city through smart administrative services based on big data. IoT sensors detect senior citizens' movement inside their homes, and a device notifies their caretakers at social welfare centers to take action when there is no detected movement for a certain period of time. For those who require emergency help, we make sure that the caller's basic information is sent to the call center to dispatch ambulances immediately. Seoul launched a testbed for self-driving cars using 5G networks in Sangam DMC. It is the first such attempt in the world. Thanks to 5G and V2X networks, cars and traffic infrastructures are interconnected, and data such as traffic lights and traffic information are sent to drivers instantly. We have created a 3D simulation program called Virtual Seoul, which we are using when managing the city, urban planning, and disaster response. Seoul's policy decision-making process and implementation process is also becoming smarter than before. We have developed an online platform where citizens can participate in the process via mobile devices. Through our M-voting system, citizens can submit polls and others can vote. So far, there have been more than 6,000 polls, and 652 of these requests have been reflected in our policies. Last but not least is the Digital Mayor's Office. It is a digital platform that displays information about nearly everything that is happening in the city in real time. For example, traffic information, disaster information, market information, and all other information related to the well-being of the citizens. We have digitalized this big data from 16 million databases from 290 systems. Our initiative for Smart City will also place top priority on the citizens. By pursuing innovation but also prioritizing the citizens, we will open up a new and better future for not only Seoul, but also fellow cities in the world.